Okay, here's page 2, 5B, true or false. Elimination is the only method you can use to solve this system of equations. Well, is it the only method? No, it's the most efficient, but is it the only one? No, I could use substitution. So I would say it's false. Elimination would be the most efficient, but it's not the only method. 6A, true or false. 10, negative 9 is a solution to the following system. Well, what do I need to do? I need to plug them into both. So I get 3 times 10 plus a negative 9 equals 21. 3 times 10 is 30. Minus 9 equals 21. 30 minus 9 is 21. 21 equals 21. That checks. I got to check it in this other equation here. So I get 10 plus a negative 9 equals 1. 10 plus a negative 9 is 1. 1 equals 1. That checks. So true. If it's a solution, it has to be a true statement in both equations. So 6b, does it work here? So I'm going to plug it into this first equation. 3 times y, but y is negative 5, equals negative 10 minus x, which is 5. Just plug those in. This is negative 15 equals a negative 10 minus 5 is a negative 15. That checks. Let's plug it into the second equation. So I get a negative x, which is 5, plus 5 times a negative 5, so that's my y, equals negative 30. So negative 5 plus negative 25 equals negative 30. I get negative 30 equals negative 30. True state, that's checks. So this is true. 5, negative 5 is a solution to this system. Has to be a true statement in both. 7a, use the graph to estimate which of the following is a solution to the system. Select all that apply. Okay, we want to estimate. So where do you think the solution is? I'm set right there and there. Approximately. What do we think that is? Well, here's 1, 2, somewhere between 2 and 3. Is there an x value between 2 and 3? Yeah, one of these. This is. And what about here? If we go over here, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe it's past 7, so it looks like this one would be. We estimate it. And this solution here would be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. It looks like it's between negative 2 and negative 3. Negative 2.45 is. And on the y value, looks like it's somewhere around 2 or negative 2, maybe negative 1.9. So that looks like it's a good estimate. Those two. If we looked at negative 1.4, it's not on the graph. Nope. Negative 1.50. Well, that's where this crosses, but the two graphs don't intersect there. So choice 3 and 4. Same thing, we want to estimate which is the solution. We want to select all that apply. So I look at my solutions are right here. What does this look like? Somewhere between negative 1 and negative 2. So negative 1.61, that could be a good estimate. What about up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it's just over 5. Looks like that choice would work. 0, 0, no. 0, 4, no. On this point right here, looks like it's just over 1. 1.24 might make sense. It looks like it may be around 3 or just over 3. So that would make sense. So choice 2 and 4. We're just estimating.